Welcome at a Blender quick tip, and for today I will show you how to make a seamless rotating art display. First, let's delete this cube, delete this lamp, and then we select our camera. We're gonna go to the front view with numpad 1, then press 5 for grid mode. Then with the camera being selected, press Ctrl Alt numpad 0 so the camera will go to the front view. Then let's lift it up for a bit and rotate it down so we have a nice view on what's going on. Then let's go to the front view and spawn in a circle, and then we're gonna give this circle some thickness. So I'm gonna press E, move this up, press E again, then press S to scale it inwards, then press E, make it like so, press F to fill it in. Now let's select all and go to shading UV and recalculate so it has the right color. And then we're going to spawn in a monkey, or better to say Suzanne, because that is actually her name. And then we're going to scale this until something like this. Then rotate it. And I'm just going to look at the line below, like this line here, and kind of make this with it. Like so. You can see now it's good. The next thing we are going to do, we're going to select Suzanne. And then we hold Shift and select our display. And then we're going to parent this together by pressing Ctrl P and Object. So now if I would select this platform and press R for rotating and hold it on the Z axis, it will rotate with it. Then just from the top view, I'm going to zoom out just a tiny bit. And I'm going to extrude for another panel. You just click down here until you see the mouse cursor change and just move this up. Now if you want to get this back down there, you just click on it and then move it down, and then you will see an arrow and you let go and it's gone again. So with this being extruded, the first thing I'm going to do is go to Dope Sheet, because if you do this wrong, you can see it immediately what's going on. First things first, we want to make sure we do a couple of frames and not all 250. In this case, let's put this on 60. And with this platform being selected, let's press I and lock it on rotation. Then you will see this. Now the point is, if we press R and lock it on the Z axis and we rotate this, put this down here, and then we would move it up to frame 60 and press I again to lock it on rotation, you will see this will happen. This means that it's not good, because if I would play this, nothing happens. Now let's press Ctrl Z to undo this stuff. If you have locked the first rotation on frame 1, you first have to go to frame 60, then rotate the platform all the way around, let go, press I at lock rotation. And now you don't see these yellow lines between it, which in case means that you've done it the right way, and when you press play, this is what you will get. Now you can see that it slowly starts up, makes a nice rotation, and then slowly goes towards stopping. The next thing we are going to do is change our dope sheet to grab editor. I'm just gonna make this a little bit larger, and then we're going to expand this one down here. Now since we are only working on to the Z axis, we want to lock X and Y and hide X and Y. So we only work with the Z. Let's zoom out for a bit. And then you can hold Shift and scroll for up and down. Hold your Ctrl to go left and right. Now let's left click on this, and you will see if you left click on one of these dots, you can better do this one over here. If you move it, something will change. And let's just place it down here and zoom out all the way until we see the one at the bottom. Then let's move this one onto the black dot down there and left click to put it on its place. Now let's left click onto the dot. You will see another one of these, and make sure you select the right one. That will be this one here on the left, and put this all the way up on the top and let it go with the left mouse button. So now if we would play this, we have the same speed all the way. You can slightly see it stops and then goes again. That's because there are 2 frames on the position that it faces forward. That is frame number 1 and frame number 60. That's why there is a tiny little lag in there, and it's very simple to fix. Let's put the end on 59. Now if we would play this again, will be seamless smooth. Back to the camera, I'm just gonna grab the camera, press G and press Y, and then just move it a little bit forwards and rotate it like so. And this is the way how you make a nice, smooth, seamless, rotating art display platform. And in the next quick tip video, I will explain you how you can make this into a video by using Blender's video editor, which is built in. You don't have to unlock it, you don't have to download anything. For now, if you've got some questions or a request, then comment below. If you found this video useful, then like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.